It's called the Heartbeat Bill, which was passed by the Senate in the spring, and it was approved by the House on Thursday.
There's no bill like this been passed anywhere in the country.
Joe Poyman is
And this is
pro-life
new.
and the executive
Now, the big
director for
question is
Texas Alliance.
whether individuals can sue an abortion doctor and can sue anyone who helps to have an abortion, aid and abets the crime of abortion.
Poyman says the point of the Heartbeat Bill is to protect the unborn child when a heartbeat is detected as early as 6 weeks.
That means that the father of the unborn child, the mother of the unborn child, the grandparents of the unborn child, actually anybody in the state of Texas could sue.
Supporters are calling the Heartbeat Bill the most pro-life bill since Roe versus Wade.
It's really a horribly written bill.
Michelle Beckley is a Democratic member of the Texas House of Representatives.
It's going to open the door for a bunch of frivolous lawsuits because anybody who has any association with somebody they may have had an abortion can now file a lawsuit.
Republican State Senator Shelby Slawson is the lead sponsor of the bill, who shared her personal story, saying that her mother was given a, quote, dim prognosis of an abnormally developing baby. And that baby, Slawson says, is her. And Republicans making it clear in bold that part of the bill is clarified for rape victims.
Someone who commits the crime of rape against an innocent woman cannot bring a lawsuit under this bill.
David De La Fuente is a Democratic analyst.
Is just an attempt to feed red meat to their very conservative base at a moment when Texas is dealing with some really serious issues.
In Dallas, I'm Molly Basu.